Join me in unboxing the ZWO Seestar S30 Pro. This is arguably the best smart telescope in the market right now. It's currently the best because they upgraded the sensor to a 4K Sony sensor. It has two cameras. The telephoto has an 8.3 megapixel 4K resolution. The wide-angle camera also has a Sony IMX586 sensor, and it has a massive 63-degree field of view, and that's equivalent to a 35mm lens on a full-frame camera. It has the exact same box as the older S30. The only difference is it would say Pro on that part of the box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, what do we have here? Some instructions and stickers. Pretty nice stickers. Right, and it comes in a bag. Let's check it out. Okay, bag looks good. Looks like it's a water-resistant fabric. Let's check out the contents. Alright. Comes with a metal stand. Looks pretty sturdy. What's this? Looks like the charging cable. If I'm not mistaken, this should be a Type A to Type C charging cable. Alright. Hey, and it's angled. Okay, the bag strap. And the unit itself. Pretty nice. Okay, the unit is mostly white with a power button on the side, some company branding. Let's check out what else is in the box. Okay, we have the manual. And lastly, the solar filter. Okay. I tested out the app and it was pretty straightforward. You can either connect via Wi-Fi, LAN, or set it up remotely. You can just follow the instructions on the app. Once you've got it set up, you can test it out. Okay, try the scenery view. The view on the right is the wide angle view. So let's test it out with the faraway buildings from our place. Okay, and on the upper left portion, you'd see the telephoto view. There's this joystick right here where you can make micro adjustments. And you can see how powerful that is. And then you can switch from one camera to another. Very clear and powerful. Alright, now let's try it on some nebulas. So this is the Lagoon Nebula on the middle part right there. And then on the upper left hand corner, you'd see the Trifid Nebula. As you can see, every 10 seconds, it's taking a photo, a long exposure. And then it's stacking them together to get a better image. Now this is my first try on this. and it's my most successful capture so far. Very happy with these results. Again, I'm very happy with the results of this capture. You can see very clearly the details of the Lagoon Nebula right there in the middle. And on the upper part there, you can see the Trifid Nebula with the blue hues captured during my first try. This level of quality, I was so amazed. This one's the Eagle Nebula. Took me a few minutes to capture this. And this one's the Helix Nebula. This is a very faint nebula. This was harder to capture, but as you can see, the Seestar captured it perfectly. Considering that I'm located in Pasig, we're in Bortal 8 and 9, so that's the worst city light pollution that there is. But still, it managed to capture it really well. Now, where can you get one? Please message us on our FB page, as you can see there. Look it up, Astronomy PH. Look up our logo, that's Astro PH. We're also available on Lazada, Shopee. We currently have an ongoing promo where you could get items delivered free, same day. So just PM us for details. And we currently have a Facebook promotion, a sale for the Seestar S30 Pro. Just PM us for details. Thank you.